In this video, you'll learn how to connect Avacoin to your OKX wallet. By following these instructions, you will successfully link the two services, enabling you to manage your assets efficiently. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. Open your preferred web browser and type in okx.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the OKX homepage, which features various options and services available to users. Next, locate the More option on the homepage. This is typically found in the top navigation menu. Clicking on More will expand the drop-down menu, revealing additional features and services offered by OKX. Make sure you are on the correct page before proceeding. After that, select the Web3 option from the drop-down. This will redirect you to the Web3 services offered by OKX. The page you see should have a clear layout related to Web3 functionalities, indicating you have successfully navigated to the right section. Once this appears, look for the option labeled Wallet 01 and click on it. This will take you to the wallet management area. You should see your existing wallets listed here, which confirms you have accessed the correct interface. Then, click on the Portfolio option. This section provides an overview of your assets and transactions within the wallet. A summary of your holdings should be visible, ensuring you are in the right place to manage your cryptocurrencies. Next, find and select the Manage Crypto button. This feature allows you adjust your cryptocurrency holdings and settings. After clicking, the screen should display options for managing your crypto assets, confirming your navigation was successful. Now, type Avax into the search bar that appears. This search function helps you quickly locate the specific asset you want to connect. You should see results populate as you type, indicating that the search is functioning correctly. After you see the results, click on Add next to the Avalanche option. This action will initiate the process of adding Avacoin to your wallet. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification or visual confirmation that the asset has been successfully added to your portfolio. It is important to note that depending on your internet speed, the loading times may vary. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient storage and account limits within your OKX wallet to accommodate new assets. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and confirm your wallet settings.
That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.